Good morning, everyone! Happy Thursday, Friday. Happy Friday. Thank God it's Friday. It's a laundry day. As you can see behind me, wala na yung bedsheet ko, wala na akong mga pillowcase. So, I'm gonna wash everything and together with my towels para fresh ang bed natin. Guys, so I just finished washing my bedsheets, my pillowcases, and my towels. I have 3 towels that I usually use, kaya ang dami kong nilalabhan. And yeah, ang pangit ng weather, napaka-gloomy. Ewan ko kung matutuyo. Yung iba pa man din, hindi ko na in-spin kasi sayang sa kuryente. So, right now, I'm going to fold the clothes that I washed the other day. Parang kanon, yeah. Ang sakit ng aking katawan. Kasi, yun nga, naglaba ako kanina. All the all the bed sheets, pillowcases, and the towels. And, yeah, pinalik ko lang din. So, fresh na ang aking bed. Fresh smelling bed. So, wait lang. Ita-charge ko lang ito. Ita-charge ko lang kayo. Kakaalis lang ni Mac, guys. Punta na siyang duty, tapos sabi niya sa akin, check ko daw yung pangalawang drawer ko dito sa table. So, let's see kung anong laman. So, ayan. Asan na ang... What? Puro gamot ang laman, guys. Pero, binigay siya na Kisses Deluxe Hazelnut Center. Ba't niya ako binigyan ng chocolate? Undoing. Kung nurse kaya alam niyo yung undoing. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, hindi na kayo masyadong nakakalabas dito. Ito. Bigay siya. Hindi ako kumakain guys ng chocolate masyado. Ayoko lang. Hindi ako masyado sa sweets. More on, chips. Ganyan. And, basta, mga ganun. So, hindi ako masyado sa chocolate. But anyway, thanks. Kaya ganyan lang kakonting binigay niya kasi. Alam mo yung isang ganyan na Toblerone, yung regular size na Toblerone, hindi ko yun maubos na babalik-balikan ko lang yun sa ref. Alam niya yun. Kaya sabi ko, alam niya, hindi ako masyadong kumakain, kaya ganyan lang kaunti yung chocolate. Good morning, everyone! We are getting ready to go to church. Ayan, ito yung chocolate. Yeah. Today's Saturday and we're going to church and all the cabinets are open. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later kasi nagmamadali na akes. Hey guys, so we're home. What's in my lips is, hindi siya nag-bleed. Is this Everbilena liquid lipstick in the shade Pink Pearl. Ate, wala ka na pong chocolate. Ubus na po. Kinain mo na lahat kanina sa church. Ang init. Ang init maglakad. Grabe. I just finished recording a video for my Facebook. I don't know if I will upload that in my Facebook fan page, but that is for my personal account. Yeah, I recorded a religious song. Namimiss ko nang magkumanta and mag-guitar. So, my fingers are really, look at that. Is it foxing? Yeah. Ayan kita nyo, talaga siya. Parang nagkakalyo na ulit. Kasi, ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-guitar. Nag-guitar na ako, pero hindi ganun kahaba. Grabe. Kaya sobrang sakit na ng ng mga daliri ko. And, I sang 3 songs. The first one is He's More Wonderful. If you go to church, ayan, sa mga nag-church, or kahit hindi ka nag-church, listen to the song He's More Wonderful by Sandy Patty. I will put a link down below para makita para makita nyo yung song na yon. That's really good song kasi parang nakaka-uplift siya ng alam mo yun, nakaka-boost siya ng steam kasi no broken promises sa Panginoon, walang broken promises. Everything na pinangako niya sa atin, ginagawa niya. So, that's really good kasi sometimes we really need someone to remind us din na God is just there sa dami ng problema natin, di ba? Kung minsan nakakalimutan na natin na, may Panginoon pala tayo na willing to help us, He's just waiting for us to call Him. But anyway, kahit naman hindi mo tawagin ng Panginoon, He will still help you. Pero, syempre, we need to acknowledge the presence of God. So, para na kung nag-message pa. Yeah, hopefully, naman, ang tawag, kahit pang, mag-bless naman kayo while you are watching my vlogs, hindi lang for the sake of entertainment, or makapag-share man lang ako ng something that can cheer you up today. Mana nyo, some of you guys are having difficulty in life, or maybe having problems, or you don't know where to go, you're confused with your decisions, with your life, mahirap yun mahirap yung ganun. Chikahan muna tayo. So, if you are confused right now, just pray, and God will lead the way. Alam niyo yung ginagawa ko, kung ganito na parang confused or what, I have a journal, I have a book journal. That's where I write all my prayers, my requests, all my everything. Yung parang sa akin tsaka sa Panginoon lang yun na notebook, parang gano'n, na everything that you can, kasi nga sabi nila, you talk to God as if He is your personal friend, like that. Yung, kahit naman kasi pwedeng mo sabihin sa Panginoon, but so just tell Him everything para matulungan ka niya. So, yeah. Sabado kasi, feel ko talaga yung spirit. Kanina, Saturday kasi kami nagsisimba. So, ayan. Sana may, man lang, ma-bless man lang sa inyo kahit papahala sa mga words na yun. A thought ponder. Ate, di ka na sasama, ha? Ate!
Bakit ko naman ako iiwan?
Pasaway ka naman.
Mabihis niya ako pala. Wag mo ako.
Mag-sleep ka na lang.
Ayaw ko mag-sleep. Sama na lang ako sa alternata.
Kasi happy naman dito Huwag ka na sama.
Hindi happy dito sa bahay. Sama ako sa alternata.
Bakit? Malulungkot ka. Iiyak ako. Dinadramahan mo si tita. May lipstick ka pa, sa bibig, Sama ka.
Yes.
Oy, happy na siya. Happy ka.
Yes.
Yeah. Magbihis ka na. Sige, magbihis na tayo.
We don't talk anymore like we used